The easiest way to use Reddit is through the official site. Yes, it gets the job done, you can still browse Reddit online, but at the same time, the Reddit site looks pretty outdated and the UI isn't the most user-friendly. Whether you're looking for more functionality, extra features, or simply a better look, you can try using one of these Reddit clients instead. Here are some of the best Reddit apps for Windows and Mac that will improve your user experience while using Reddit. Baconit, the most popular one. Baconit is probably the most popular Reddit client for Windows. There's plenty to love about it. Baconit has a dynamic and modern looking UI and comes with all of the features available on Reddit Online. While the web version might perform better than this client, Baconit is much more user-friendly than the web version of Reddit. This makes Baconit suitable even for complete beginner users of Reddit. You can even use Baconit anonymously if you just want to browse. Baconit is free and available for any Windows device. Readit, the best for customization options. Readit is another Reddit app that many users prefer over the web alternative. Readit has a sleek interface and a theme that you can customize to make your Reddit client look the way you like. Readit's also packed with all of the features you'd expect from a Reddit client. On top of that, Readit supports Reddit Gold, toast notifications, secondary tiles, and has complete Markdown support. The app is free and available on all Windows devices. You can download it from the Microsoft Store. Now let's look at some of the best Reddit apps for Mac. First, there's Comet for Reddit, the best free option. Comet is a pretty new app for browsing Reddit, but it looks promising. Comet for Reddit comes with a beautiful modern design and an intuitive interface. The app has all of the standard Reddit client features. These include full Markdown support, the ability to view all types of media including GIFs, multiple account support, and more. Many sections of the app are customizable, so you can change the app to suit your needs better. The app is completely free with no ads or paid premium features. There's a desktop and a mobile version, both available to download from the App Store. Another great Mac app is Euphorio, best for organizing your Reddit feed. Euphorio is a Reddit client for Mac that takes the idea of organizing your Reddit feed to the next level. All posts are now organized into categories according to their type: media, files, links, pictures, text, which makes searching for a specific video or picture much easier. Other features that help speed up your search on Euphorio include a user-friendly subreddits list, a favorite bar, colored comments levels, and more. Euphorio's minimalistic interface also serves the same purpose. Nothing can distract you from finding the information that you came to Reddit for. Euphorio also offers a modern design and a caching system that allows for fast browsing on Reddit. The app is free and at the moment available exclusively on Mac. You can try a web version of Euphorio before downloading and installing the app on your computer. For a bonus Windows and Mac Reddit app suggestion, check out the article linked in the description below. See you next time.